Yes, sir.
Continue.
Thank you very much, sir. So, from 2003 to 2004, we have recorded 83 incidents, sir. And from the 83 incidents, tama po yung ano, sir, 44 are theft incidents.
Okay.
Then from 44 are theft incidents, 8 are sexually related incidents.
What do you say sexually related incident? Anong klase
It
po?
covers itong anti-bastos law natin, sir, yung Republic Act 11313.
Mhm.
There are 4 incidents. We have Republic Act 1995, sexual harassment, we have 1.
Mhm.
Article 306, the acts of lasciviousness, we have 1.
Mhm.
And Article 266, attempted rape, sir, and violation of
DOTR, you're not
1960.
dismissed yet? DOTR? Balik. Balik DOTR, no. I'm not done yet. DOTR. Sorry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Go
Let
ahead
me
po.
continue, sir. So, there are 8 sexually related incident, and there are 6 incidents, sir. Ito na yung ano, sir, ito na yung malicious dissemination of false information, yung mga nagbibiro, sir, ng bomb threat. There are
Okay.
6 incidents. There are also 7 incidents for violation of Republic Act 10591. Ito po yung mga nahuhulihan. Pag chinecheck, sir, may baril, walang lisensya, so nakakasuhan po sila.
Mhm.
They cannot present. And there are other 18 other offenses, barring offenses na yun, sir. But what we are focusing now is the 44 theft incidents, sir. So when we heard this last July 2, sir, when we received the request for the augmentation, the Chief PNP and my regional director, we immediately directed the district directors of NCRPO to beef up the in-place police assistance desk in the different stations. There are actually, sir, 45 stations. LRT1 has 20, LRT2 has 13, and MRT has 12. So,
Okay, if you may allow me to interrupt you,
Yes, sir.
General. Ang gusto kasing mangyari, katulad sa nangyari sa ibang bansa, sumasakay yung mga pulis natin, body-body system sa mga kubol mismo, sa mga train.
yes, sir.
Huwag yung maglalagay lang kayo doon ng ng check, ano bang tawag noon?
Public assistance desk,
Public
sir.
assistant desk. Hindi eh. Lalakas loob pa rin yung gagawang kalokohan yung mga
Yes, sir.
masasamang loob.
Definitely.
Dapat mo sumasakay sa mga train
I
mismo,
think we call it, sir, marshals, police marshals. So we will be boarding the train itself, sir.
boarding the train.
So we will do that, sir, in coordination with the management of LRT.
When are you going to do that, sir?
Sir, actually, we in Northern Police District, we already started on the part of the Northern Police District. We've already 18 marshals. But we will beef up that. Dadagdagan pa namin po, sir.
Okay.
We'll do it immediately, sir. We'll do it.
So dapat po, sir, gusto ko sa bawat biyahe ng tren may sumasakay na marshals, pair yan, siguro 4, dulo to dulo hanggang sa
Yes, sir.
magsasabungan sila sa gitna. Tapos balik ulit papuntang dulo. Kasi iba yung makita ng mga masasamang loob na may pulis eh. Diba? That would serve as a deterrent. Pag walang pulis, eh yung pulis nandun pala naman pag tapos sa estasyon, eh hindi man ako mahuli, eh magaling naman ako mag-snatch, madaling naman ako magharas. Gagawin pa rin yung
Yes,
kalokohan.
correct po, sir, and we agree to that suggestion, sir. In fact, sir, we are now coordinating closely with the LRT, MRT, because as you can see, sir, the 83 incidents, most of these transpired inside.
Correct. Exactly.
Inside, sir. Inside.
Inside, diba? Hindi
Yes, sir.
outside. So therefore, maglalagay kayo ng marshals
Yes, sir.
inside.
We will do that, sir. We'll do
Okay.
that po.
When are you going
Actually,
to
sir,
do
we
that?
started already. We already deployed 18 marshals. So dadagdagan pa namin to ngayon, sir. Dadagdagan pa namin to.
Dapat meron yung uniform, meron yung naka-civilian
Yes,
para makot in the act.
We will do that, sir, and we will submit reports.
Yung naka-uniform, para maging kampante, yung mga riding public.
Yes, sir.
Yung mga naka-civilian, ang focus noon para manmanan at tingnan kung sino yung mga suspicious looking character, bantayan at hulihin, caught in the act.
Yes, sir. We will do that, sir, immediately. We will do
Okay.
that, sir.
That will be,
Yes, sir. We will do that.
When?
And we will submit report to this committee, sir, about action taken regarding that, sir.
okay, sige. Ano pong ginagawa nyo dun sa mga nahuli? Meron na ho ba mga nakakulong?
Sir,
Or napakawalan din?
yes, sir. From the 83 incidents, sir, actually, sir, 77 are solved. When we say solved, sir, all of these are apprehended. Huli po lahat ito.
Kaya nga, nasaan na yan?
Nakakulong po, sir.
Apprehended.
Nakakulong po, sir. Yes, sir.
O baka naman may nagbibail sa kanila, baka sindikato to at merong grupo na nagpapiyansa
I'll
na.
check, sir, the record, sir, and will give report po, sir.
Give
As to
me the
status,
record
sir.
kung ilan yung mga nakakulong
Yes, sir.
at ilan yung nagpapiyansa.
Yes, sir.
Kasi kung nakapagpiyansa sila, magkano bang piyansa pag ganun, sir, usually?
Depend on the sir, depend on the gravity ng sir. Let's say kung theft, I think lang yan, sir. I think 40,000-50,000 lang ang piyansa, sir.
So meron ba kayong record na yung mga recidivist na nahuli na ito at kinasuhan and then nahuli ulit?
We
pang
have,
beses?
sir. We have record, sir.
So what do you do with those people?
Ito, sir, mga ito mga actually, sir, all of the yung mga mukha nito, sir. That's why kung makikita niyo po siguro there are cleared sir, yung mga cleared lang, hindi sila nahuli. Then pag tiningnan sa Rogues Gallery ito, doon po na-identify, sir. But we emphasize, sir, sa judges, pag pinail natin, sir, yung case that they are already recidivist, yun ang binibigyan natin emphasis, sir. Dapat yung kaso talaga mas maano na, sir, dahil paulit-ulit lang po sila, sir.
Okay. MRT, so yung nag-usap tayo dati, Asek Aquino, ma'am, sabi niyo yun talagang pinakamalaking problema ninyo. since nag-usap tayo and then since I sent the letter to the PNP, ano na pong development? Has there been any changes?
Good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. First of all, we would like po to thank you po for coordinating po and giving instructions po to the PNP to assist the rail operating lines po, no. Given po yung after po yung coordination po as a result of the request from your office with PNP, currently there are police personnel po that are visible at certain times, no, in the different stations of MRT3, LRT1 and LRT line 2. Now for MRT, meron na pong mga major stations wherein there are fixed posts from the PNP, which is in Taft, Cubao, Shaw, Kamuning and North Avenue, and there are times po that they would also board the trains. Now given
Okay, sorry ma'am, you said there are times. So ang gusto ko at all times, wag there are times.
Yes
Pwede?
po. Yes po. Yun
Okay.
po sana ang ire-request namin. Actually, Mr. Chair, prior to COVID, meron pong tinatawag na rail police. Ang nagpo-provide po ata nun before is NCRPO, the PNP po.
Rail police.
Yes po. Meron silang detachment that is located in the LRT1 Pasay Depot. Ang ginagawa po noon, all stations, meron pong mga naka-deploy na police personnel and meron din pong nakaboard sa tren. However, nung nagka-COVID po,
Nine to.
parang kinuha na po sila pabalik.
Okay, so General, pwede ba natin may balik yun? Mukhang maganda yun.
Yes, sir. We
Police.
will do that. Actually, that was the instruction of the Chief PNP and the Regional Director of NCRPO. We will implement that immediately.
When it's going to be implemented?
Well, sir, we started already. After this, sir, magmi-meeting kami. Then, nakasama ko naman operation officer in coordination with the management, sir. We will implement immediately.
If you need additional budget sa PNP para sa mga overtime and what have you, just let us know.
Yes, sir. We will,
Para
inform
kami dito
you
sa
po.
Senado, we will make sure na madadagdagan kayo ng
Yes, sir.
budget para dyan, para magsipag-sipag naman kayo sa ngalan ng kapakanan ng riding
Yes, sir.
public. Okay, good. So, babalik na yon, ASEC, yung sinasabi mong railway police, buti lang you brought it up. Thank you. Thank you. So hopefully, paki-monitor lang po, mapabawasan incident ng mga harassment, sexual harassment, snatching and pickpockets, what have you. Okay?
Maraming
Thank you.
salamat po, Mr. Chair.
LRT, hindi pa LRT. LRT, 20 stations ninyo, meron kayo na, di ba meron kayong 20? 20 LRT1, there are 20 stations, right?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Out of 20 stations, bakit bakit 5 lang ang may elevator? Ano nangyari sa 15? So itong 15, hindi pwede, hindi to PWD and senior citizen friendly.
Mr. Chair, just for yung history, no, the LRT Line 1 was constructed way back in, I think, 1980, 1981. It started operations way back in 1985. So nung panahon po na yon, hindi po panasama sa design yung mga elevators and escalators. So ngayon po, dahil hindi po ganon kalaki yung design ng stasyon dun sa LRT Line 1, yung Line 1 po is yung from Baclaran all the way to FPJ station. Ito po yung tumatakbo ng Taft, tapos sa may monumento po. Hindi po ganun kalaki yung design ng mga stasyon, kaya wala siyang provision na madagdagan or malagyan ng elevators or escalators. Yun po yung